Hi everyone, my name is Kiran, and again, I come back with the new topic, and the topic is how to change MAC address on Azure VM. So why we require to change MAC address in Azure platform? And let's discuss about scenario. Okay, in this scenario, my customer have on-premises, that is a VM or physical server, and on that it's one application up and running, and that license is a bind with the MAC address. That application license with the license bind with the MAC address, guys. So now my customer planning to migrate from on-prem to Azure platform, and with the same license he don't want purchase the new license again. And in this scenario, if it is a migrating to on-prem to Azure platform, and what will happen? Definitely that MAC address is going to change it. So obviously that license, it won't work. But how to get same MAC address in Azure platform on Azure VM, and how to utilize it? That is a scenario, guys. If you like this no, previous videos and now this concept of this video, please subscribe me and click on bell icon, as well as end of the session or end of the video you can like and comments. It's a very encouraging to me. Okay, let's back to topic. So for that, we are going to see how to change the MAC address into an Azure VM. I already deploy one VM in Azure platform. Its a VM name is a test VM, and let's see the jump into that one. So here my like in my Azure subscription, I already deploy one VM, guys. This is a VM test VM 01. I'm trying to connect RDB because of I already associate the public IP address for this virtual machine. I'm trying to connect the RDB of this virtual machine. Let's connect it, and my user ID and password. Click on enter. So just wait few seconds. We can able to enter into the Azure VM. This is a Windows server. So same like it's a Linux also applicable, guys. Okay. And right now I'm showing for Windows server. Same like it's applicable to Linux virtual machine also. There is no difference at all. Okay. So let's jump into here again. This is a Azure VM. I logged in. That is a called test VM, and you can see, guys, I'm trying to open the PowerShell mode, PowerShell tool. So just a minute. So let me type PowerShell, and so here PowerShell. This is a one, guys. Let me increase the font size so that everyone can able to see properly. 28. Okay, great. Now get iPhone net adapter. So now you can able to see, um, so this virtual machine have one network adapter and that particular MAC address also here. So this is a one, guys. uh, I got the in Azure platform this MAC address. Now I want to use existing MAC address in Azure platform for binding the my application license. So for that, I'm going to attach one more network interface card. Why? Because of if I'm going to change the MAC address on primary this network interface card, and I will lose the connection, I can't able to connect it. So that's the reason I'm going to Azure platform, and subscription, Azure subscription. This is a test virtual machine, And for attaching the one more network interface card, we must and should stop the virtual machine. I'm going to stop this virtual machine. And parallelly, one more thing, network interface. And you can see guys here, network interface, click on create and that particular subscription and resource group. I'm giving the suppose test VM NIC 02 and particular region. And so created, it's that network also, it's automatically selected, and that particular subnet also I got it. So let's review and create it. Just wait for, yes, click on create. Okay, just wait for a few seconds. We can see. So yes, almost is a deployment is a completed. Now virtual machine stopped also completed successfully. And let's go to the virtual machine. Network interface card also completed successfully deployment. So go to the test VM and click on networking under settings and attach network interface card. Click on, and you can see guys, test VM NIC 2 I created. I'm attaching here. So it's now attaching the one more network interface card on this particular virtual machine guys. Okay, go to overview and the task is a completed. Click on start. So now virtual machine, it's going to run. Let's wait for complete this task also. Virtual machine up and running. After that, on second network interface card, I'm going to change the MAC address. How to I'm going to change MAC address on second network interface card. Let's see. So waiting for completion of the task. Yes, started virtual machine. Now we can see status also running. Good. Let me take the RDB of this virtual machine. RDB file open connect, providing my password here. Click on S. Okay. Now almost we are entering into the virtual machine. Let's wait for few seconds. So almost is a loading my operating system. Just a minute. That server manager also it's opening. It's not required for me. That server manager I'm going to close. Okay. Let's go to the here and Windows PowerShell. Click on more and run as a administrator. So now it's open. Run as administrator wise and get iPhone net adapter. So this is a command. Again, I'm running. Previously also I shown you. Again, I'm showing here. And now two network interface card. One is a Ethernet 2, one is a Ethernet. And you can see interface description is a /2, #2, sorry. And you can see this is a MAC address right now. Now I want change the like this MAC address and update my existing MAC address. So for that, I already have few PowerShell commands I can show you. I'm going to run it. So first of all, I got already that MAC address, existing MAC address. Okay. And so I'm going to run this one. It's a variable wise I mention here. Go to particular virtual machine and run. Click on paste. Okay, it's not pasted properly. Give me a minute. Let me check again. So copy, go to virtual machine and paste it. Now you can observe, guys, this MAC address is a different, this MAC address is a different. Enter, and after that, go to again second command. So I'm selecting the second network interface card only I want updated. So that's the reason second command I'm running here. Okay, and now last command is a changing the MAC address on second network interface card, guys. This is a major command, and if you run, and that MAC address is going to change. Before that, it's asking, it's going to change the MAC address on this. You are allowing for this one. Yes, click on yes. Now again, get iPhone net adapter if I'm going to run it, and you can see here, guys, I got the what I want, that MAC address I got on the second virtual machine. On the, sorry, not second network interface card, I got it. On the second network interface card, I got the same MAC address, guys. This is a way we can get it, and we can bind now that license to this particular MAC address on existing MAC address. So one thing here, guys, if you try to update the on single network interface card, that means is a if your virtual machine have one network adapter by default, if you are updating MAC change on existing network interface card, and definitely you will lose the connection. You, if you reboot or if you perform anything also, you can't get it your virtual machine, guys. You can't get it your virtual machine. Why? Because of in the backend, Azure Fabric is integrated and providing the such MAC address. This is a one, and due to that, it's a lose the connection. So in that scenario, we must and should use the two network interface cards. One network interface card for license, another network interface card general our manage workload, like management network wise we can use it, guys. So that's it, that scenario, and I hope you all people like, and please comment below before going to subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone.